Hello everyone. After a long time I am making a review product. So here I am with a new product from boAt, which is Airdope 441. This is an earbud which I am using for around 7 days, and I am going to give a quick review about the product, as well as I am going to show you what are the things you will get inside the box, and I will show you the product details, which I'm already using it on my ears. I thought that this is the buttons. So thank you for watching my video. Keep watching my video, and if you like my video, subscribe my channel. Enjoy. So here I am in the box of the product Airdope 441 boAt. It has Bluetooth connectivity 5.0, and it is also water and sweat resistance IPX7 sweat and water resistant. It has also technology of IWT, Insta Wake and Pair, which is when you open the lid of the Airdope case, it will automatically connect within 2 to 3 seconds. So which is a very nice thing to watch in this product. And the case of the Airdope is 500 mAh. You can charge the earbuds for 4 times. The earbuds battery capacity is 35 mAh, and it will give playback time of 3 hours constantly. So this is the red color which I ordered from the Amazon. There are 7 other colors also which you will get, and I will give the product link in the video description below. And this is the product which I got it from the Amazon, and the color is dragging red, and you will get various other colors from here also. It's up to you what color you want to take, but for me, I personally like the red and black color, which is a very nice attractive color. So let's open the box and see what's inside the box. And inside the box you will get the product, which I'm going to discuss it later. Let's see what other things we will get inside the box. You will get a manual setup guide. Here you will see here will get all the instruction of the product and how to connect it with the mobile, blah blah. And here you will get all the details, information how to connect it and how to factory reset the product. And here you will also get the specification of the device. So these are all the paperwork. If you want, you can read it. You will get 1 year warranty card of the product, so which is a very nice thing. And you will get another thing is the catalog of the product. Here we will see various boAt products which you can buy. So this is the catalog of the boAt products. So I'm keeping it aside, and let's see what's inside the box. Small box, and inside the small box you will get a Type-C charging cable with the boAt Airdopes 441. You have to charge the device with a Type-C cable, so this is a very nice thing. And you will get a bag containing ear tips and ear flags, 2 pairs of ear tips and 1 pair of ear flag. You can change it with respect to the size of your ear. So let's keep these things aside, and let's see what's let's talk about the earbuds. So this is the case. This is a very good quality of the case, and it's very nice. Here you will see the specification of the case. It can be seen that made in PCI, which is made in China and designed in USA. The DC input is 5 volt 2 ampere, and the bud battery is 35 mAh. Case battery is 500 mAh. So this is very nice, and this is the status light. It is showing blue, which means that the status is okay. And here you will see the Type-C charging port. From here you can charge the device by using a Type-C cable. So let's open it. So these are the earbuds. Blue light is showing. Blue light means that the device is connected to my phone. So this is the instant wake feature of the device. So when you open the lid of the case, instantly you can see that the green light turns to blue. So that means it is blinking. That means the device is connected to my phone. Here you can see that the device is connected to my phone instantly, which is a very nice thing. And the earbuds has 6 mm drives, which is a little bit small, but when you play it at 70 to 80% volume, the bass of the product is very nice and the sound quality is extremely beautiful. You will not regret if you take this product. And it has capacitive touch, not physical touch buttons. So when you touch it, the status light will show. Status light will show the picture. So you can see when you pressing the light, it is showing the red light. So this is a very nice thing, and this is water resistant. So if you drop it in the water, nothing will happen. So let's see how it works. So here you can see that I am playing a YouTube video and how to consult a YouTube video with the earbuds. So this is the left one, then this is the right one. The right one, this is the left one. So when you double tap it, you can change the video. You can go forward, and when you double tap this one, you can go back to the previous video. So by double tapping the capacitive touch buttons of the earbuds, you can go backward and forward. And single tap will make the video pause, and again single tap will make the video pause. This can be controlled by both the earbuds. And for changing the videos and backward, for the previous video you need to double tap the left one, and for going forward next and going forward to the next video, you need to press double tap the right one. Okay, like this. And if you want to activate the voice assistant like the Google Assistant of the TV, then you will have to press this one for around 2 seconds. You will see that the Google Assistant is turned on. So for pressing this one for 2 seconds, in any earpod, you can connect it with the Google Assistant. So when you have to pick a call, then the light status light will be like this. So if you single tap this one, you can take the call, and if you single tap the left or the right earbud in one, you can disconnect the call. So this is a very nice thing. And if you want to cancel the call without picking it up, then you can press it for 2 seconds, then the call will be rejected. So these are the main key features, key functions of the earbuds. If you want to turn it off manually, then you have to press these two for 5 seconds. Then the earbuds will be turned off. And if you want to do the factory reset, then you have to put the earbuds in the case and press it for around 10 seconds. Then it will be factory reset, and the devices which you are connected with the device will be lost, and you will have to pair it manually again. And after that, it will be connected automatically by using the instant pair and wake technology. So this is a very nice thing. So the pros and cons of the device are that the rubber clip which is provided with the device the cons is that you cannot wear it for more than 2 hours because it will be irritating if you connect it with your ear for around